Okay, so instead of touching your partner's shoulder, we're going to touch the base this way. And then while we're sinking down, we're going to make the left hand magnetic and create the effect with the magnetic hand, or the right hand electric and create the effect with the electric hand, and then together at the same time. And you can do more with one hand, now I'm using the left, or more with the other hand. And each person's body is going to have a different reaction. And the way you rotate your waist here should be how you generate power in your martial arts system. So if you're looking at building a right cross and getting strength here, if you're connecting to that leg, I've got to close this quad and have this leg empty to build this type of mechanic. If I'm building a mechanic where I'm using this leg more, then I'm opening this quad and the weight goes through that leg. And then you just train this accordingly. And if you're doing push hands, you're always inside of these spinning positions, either back here or in there. And this builds your foundation for rotation. And magnetic hand is receiving, electric hand is striking. But here we're just doing it to move your partner around to get the relationship mechanically into your system, putting yin and yang in your hands. Thank you. And partner up, have a play.